Hi, welcome to Dufy Animations. So today we will be looking at a plugin called VR Digital Glitch in After Effects. If you want to create a simple glitch style transition or logo intro, then you can try this plugin. All right, let's start with an example. So I have After Effects open here. Okay, let me load some materials in here. So I have these two footage. Okay, let me fit it to come. Let me bring another one. Okay, so this and this will be enough for the demonstration. Okay, so I have these two video footage that I'm going to use to do the transition. All right, so video one is just a satellite dish or so, and video two is a market square. Okay, so with this, to create a bridge point between these two and apply the effects, just right click in, then come to new, adjustments layer. Okay, then you stand here, then cut or split the layer, then split the layer here, then clear this one. Stand here, split the layer, then clear this one. So we are going to apply the effect on this one. Okay, the adjustment layer. So come to effects and type VR digital glitch, this one, then apply it onto the adjustments layer. Okay, we have a problem here. All right, so whenever you apply an effect and you happen to see this effect requires GPU acceleration, you shouldn't worry. Okay, just come to file, then come to project settings, then change from Mercury software only to Mercury GPU acceleration. Then you click OK. You see, now you are back. So now you can see the glitch happening. Okay, so this is the effects. You are not seeing anything happening now. Okay, so we haven't manipulated the attributes here. So let's come here. Distortion, the color distortion, let's go something like 100. Okay, then let me see random seed. Okay, let's come to the effects. Press E to bring out the effect down here. Then on here, from here, okay, random seed, set a key there. Then move the timeline to the last end here. Then type something like 60 on the random seed. All right. So you have something like this on it. Okay, with a glitch happening on it. Okay. So now we are done with one half of this. Okay. So the next thing to do is duplicate the glitch like 4 times or 3 times. So Control D 4 times. Let me see. Let me see the 5th one. Okay. So 5 times is okay. All right. So now you have this. Now come to effects and presets and type wiggle position. Okay. Then apply it. This one. Then apply it to it. All right. Now we are going to work on the wiggle speed and position. Okay. Now the wiggle speed here is 1. So we can take it to something like 30. Let me see 30. Then the amount, let's crank it up. 100 is okay. So let's see. Okay, so this is okay. Now come inside the wiggle here and uncheck this. Use compositions scale and check it. Okay, now come to effects again and type transform, and apply it also onto it. Okay, Now the transform scale, let's scale it to something like, let me see, 120. Okay, so 120 is okay. You see? So with a VR digital glitch, this is what we're able to get as a transition. Okay, so you just close it in here, then you have this. You see that? As a transition to the next scene. If you feel that the movement is not enough for you, the wiggle speed, you can crank it up. Let me see, 60. You see that? Okay. So guys, this is it with the VR digital glitch. It's a simple plugin that when you use it, you have to add other plugins to make it a bit interesting. Okay. So maybe with this, you can decide to add. Let me add it and see how it will look like. Okay. See that? You can also use the blend mode to have a different impact on this. So let me see this. Let me play around with the blend mode a bit. Okay. Let me see, overlay. Let's see. Okay. It also gives us a different set of vibes altogether. All right. So let's see another overlay. Not too dark. There's no what I want. Let me see screen. Okay. Screen is also cool. You see? If the color shifting is not enough for you, you can go ahead and shift it more. Okay? So let's see. I've duplicated it. I have to go through all this again to do the changes, which will be troublesome. That I would have shifted the color distortion. Okay? But still, if you find it's not enough, you can shift the color distortion to have more color glitching on the surface of the image. Okay. All right, so this comes to the end of another plugin intro. See you next time.